So I guess my story starts when I was younger and I was suffering from depression and anxiety and stress. And I really didn't know what to do with my life. I kind of threw myself into traveling and went overseas to try and find myself and realized that myself was inside myself. I made up with my father, who I had some challenges with, and I just started learning to play the didgeridoo. During that time, I was studying certain techniques in self-development. I ended up teaching didgeridoo and how to circular breathe, and a lot of men came to my sessions, and they really felt like they were safe enough to let go and share their story and really open up and share their emotions. So it ended up turning into a counselling session. And then I discovered that there was something more to these sounds that were coming out of the didgeridoo, the vibrations. So that's when I started researching and came across the British Academy of Sound Therapy. I was working as a chef at the time and working a lot of hours, and I was pretty much burnt out. The British Academy of Sound Therapy said that they were going to come over and do a course, and I was to purchase some gongs. Well, I tell you what, a gong went off in the sky and I saw this light around it, and I just knew that that was something that I needed to explore further. I just sold my catering business and bought all these gongs, and when I hit the gong for the first time, I really felt that I was home, and I'd never had that feeling before. And later on down the track, I just kept playing the gong all the time and discovered that I was finding more joy in myself and more peace. And I can honestly say that I can sit there for long periods of time and just be in total content with myself. And I hope to help other people to reach this place that I find that I love to be in. So, and it's so great because I can with the gong I can reach so many people at once and help to shift their pain and suffering within themselves, and to find that peace within.